Hi, welcome back. Another important information and update. But this situation actually arises whenever you want master data changes from A box to versus B box. Okay, if you make a change in A box, that needs to be updated in B box. If you do in B box, vice versa, probably through RFC or else through PI, it need to be updated in A box. Okay, so basically it is for to have some overview about what exactly the change pointers and what is the role play of these change pointers at the time of changing your master data from A system to B system or B system to A system or A system to B, C, D, E, multiple systems across multiple systems. What exactly this change pointer? What is the topic today? First, you try to understand. Automatic idocs, change or creation of master data using change pointers in SAP ECC or S4 HANA. Okay. First, you try to understand what is this change pointer. First, you try to understand why we are learning this topic. This is just for your knowledge. Like if someone might ask you in an interview, but no fool will ask these kind of questions for functional consultant, but I'm just giving additional knowledge. Probably if someone is talking at real time, with your technical architect or someone, they're talking about what is change pointer, then you must have some idea about it, what exactly this change pointer. Okay. So what a change pointer means, the point where it leads to change your data from one situation to another situation. Okay, you didn't understand, right? The sentence which I quoted. Okay, let me try to understand in your understandable, easy language, even for me and you. For example, if you take customer master data, okay, you have a KN1 address is there, you will have a different kind of fields will be there. And if you go to sales area data, company code data, for example, okay, suddenly you are using one production live system and you have a MDG system. That is for MDG means master data governance. We will discuss that in future, what is the advantages with this, but you try to understand from A system to B system. In this system, for example, whatever the data changes you made it, for example, customer address is changed. It should be changed in other system also, your production system also automatically. So then you change here, it's not like that. What change pointer will do, whenever you make a change, based on the configuration, it will automatically change. Now you will ask, what are the different methods? It has a regular methods that I will show you. I mean, I cannot able to show you. I don't have the real-time system, but actually you keep in your mind these configuration done by your technical consultant. For example, you created a new message type for additional data, some fields. That fields in this message type. Okay, W31, technical people will do some configurations. Once the message type is your idoc is a container. So like, when you activate change pointer, that particular field, even if it is custom field also, it should be automatically change in other system. So like, vendor master data, if you change, for example, in vendor master data, you change the reconciliation account that need to be updated across all your vendors. So then how is it possible? This is possible in an easy way by using change pointers. And if you take two systems like SAP SD and the GTS system, in this case also, if you make any changes for your master data, automatically it should be updated in GTS by thorough technical configuration done in between these two systems. That will be called change pointers. Okay, what is the advantage and disadvantage with change pointers? I will explain you before concluding of this session actually. Okay. So let's have some slides. Now, if you look at here, okay, here, what is this? SPRO, NetWeaver, idoc interface, okay, business process, master data replication model, and activate change pointers for message types. Okay. So if it's, you see this BD61, if you wanted to message, if you want to activate this, need to be activated, you can able to see the path. Okay. Activate pointers, generally activate change pointers for message type. All these are the paths you have. Master data distribution. This is for your information only. Don't ever try to think that this configuration done by functional consultant. This is what in real time happening. So people are asking me what's happening around real time. You try to follow my YouTube channel, you will come to know. Okay, activate change pointers for message types. Okay, so like here one he did it. So for example, Matt Mass, he has a tick mark and like different message types. Okay, cremas and deb mass for your customer master, cremas for vendor master letter, like idocs you can indicate. So delta change pointers. See, like two things. You will schedule a job, okay, by using RBDM idoc. Okay, RBDM idoc. This is what you have to understand this. Okay. So this probably might seen in real time what is this program and all. I'm just giving a little clue about that. But this is done by technical people. Don't worry about it. So what are the methods actually? Triggering delta data. Delta data means automatically whenever you make a change, automatically it should change. And batch processing, you will run batch processing, right? Okay. So like, at the time of LSMW and you are using that particular T code and you're doing batch processing. With batch processing, you can change and timely nightly processing and you can schedule a job. See, trigger delta data batch processing, probably these are on real-time basis and timely, you can schedule a job also, what are the changes you make. If you don't want to disturb your actual system, it depends on the situation where they would like to activate the change pointers, where they would like to utilize for master data. Okay. So like once it is processed, you can check those idocs in W05. Okay. Probably in a system, idoc will be generated and again it will be captured by your PA. From there, it will go to opposite system. There idoc will be created or else directly transferred to your master data. How the architecture they have designed. Set up idoc distribution model after that also. Okay. Distribution model need to be set up to avoid the change pointers to be generated. If you don't want change pointers at all, to mitigate these kind of problems by using distribution model. Also, if you'd like to get out automatically updated the data, you can use it and set up idoc distributor model before doing order generated initial load. Okay. Collect the model and mass changes need to be done by idoc. Distribution model setup I have already explained. So this is the brief about change pointers. If you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe my channel. Here I specifically designed one course about the idocs, how it works. Okay. So like, sales order acknowledgement, like, your by using purchase order outbound information sent to A to B system, purchase order information sent received by B system, then created by sales order. Second scenario, sales order acknowledgements. One sales order is created automatically through output, SD output. And second one is your delivery output. Two scenarios I have explained. And with before PCA and after PCA. And last one is your billing invoice output. These are sufficient to get to kickstart in real time. This is more than sufficient. You try this course. If you are from SD and try to go through thoroughly the course twice or thrice. If you know, then you will come to know how to write functional specification and SD these many hours. And if you are fascinated about pricing, I have some courses. So this is one of the top course, SAP SD ECC S4 HANA pricing concepts. This is all standards I have discussed actually. SAP SD rebates. And if you'd like to have a little introduction about FSCM, you can try this. Okay, this is okay. Don't think that this is a full FSCM. This is useful for especially for SD folks and FI folks. They are very new to what do you call credit management. They can even get into this. Okay, so that's it about change pointer. If someone is asked change pointer, you can tell that by using change pointers, we can able to change data from one place to another place automatically instead of updating manually. Okay. So if you'd like to get more updates like this, please subscribe my YouTube channel here. Almost you have 500 and I think 80 plus videos. Please go through it. It's a lot of content. If you get into my Udemy courses, you will see the actual flavor of SAP SD. You can learn, and I have updated some S4 HANA courses also to make yourself comfortable. Please learn, try to update. So yourself and be strong in your knowledge and don't worry about that. I'm going to do job. If I have knowledge, industry will put red carpet to you. Always think about that. Jai Bharat. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best. Thanks for your time.